The third part, time of flight is 2 times the time to reach maximum height. So the time of flight is 2 times 5. The time of flight is 10 seconds. The fourth part of the question, the horizontal distance covered from the foot of the tower. The horizontal distance covered from the foot of the tower to the point Q is DAQ. That's the representation from A to Q. First, we have to note that this distance, this of AQ, is in 2 parts. The horizontal component of the initial velocity that's the distance, the horizontal component times the time to reach Q. Total time taken, total time to reach Q from the point of projection. So we have to take this as DAQ is the horizontal component times the total time to reach Q from point of projection. Now the horizontal component of the initial velocity is U cos theta. So we have to separately get the total time. Or first of all, let's complete this part of it. We have the horizontal component as U is 100 times cosine of 30. So that value gives me 100 times 0.866. So the horizontal component is 86.6 meters per second.